Hello, boys and girls. This is the day one of week 15, 180 days of reading for fourth grade. It says, What do you enjoy eating for lunch? If you said a sandwich, you're not alone. Millions of people eat sandwiches every day. The sandwich has been popular since ancient times, but it got its name in 1762. John Montagu was a nobleman. He was not a king or a prince, but he was a ruler and a leader. His title was the Earl of Sandwich. Yes, Sandwich is a real place in England. One night he was playing a card game. He was so interested in his game that he didn't want to stop playing cards, even though he was hungry. So he ordered food he could eat while he was playing. He asked for some slices of beef to be placed between two pieces of bread. Today we use the word sandwich to describe his meal. Number one, what is the main idea? A, the life of John Montagu. B, how the sandwich got its name. C, ancient history. Or D, roast beef. Number two, which sentence is not true? A, the sandwich is a new invention. B, the sandwich is very popular. C, the sandwich got its name from John Montagu, Earl of Sandwich. Or D, millions of people eat sandwiches. It says which sentence is not true? Number three. Which syllable is stressed in the word nobleman? A, the first syllable. B, the second syllable. C, the third syllable. Or D, none of the above. Number four, which definition of ruler is used in the text? A, a child. B, a straight stick. C, a measuring tool. Or D, a person in charge. And number five, which best describes the tone of this passage? A, engaging. B, informal. C, gloomy. Or D, silly. That is all for day one.